Hi, you guys. I'm Phil Town from Real One Investing, and today I want to talk to you about a hot one, NFTs, and why I think you shouldn't invest in them. Okay, everybody's talking about NFTs these days, so I might as well get a little flack for saying this, but I do not think investing in NFTs is a very solid investing strategy. In fact, I don't think there's any possible way you could call it investing at all. There's no way that putting money into an NFT is anything other than going down and rolling the dice. So in Rule 1, we separate radically the difference between investing in things, which is having an absolute certainty you're not going to lose money, and trading, which we also do, trading where you might lose money, okay? Now I'm going to get into why I think you shouldn't invest in NFTs and what you should do instead, but first, what are they? And in fact, I'm not so sure you should even trade them. And what do they do? How do they work? So NFT is short for a non-fungible token. I know that helps. Basically, a non-fungible token is a unique and non-interchangeable unit of data that's stored on a blockchain. You get that? NFTs are completely digital. They only exist on the blockchain. They don't exist in real life, and they can only be purchased with cryptocurrency. For example, the first NFT was a piece of digital artwork. It's called Beeple's Everydays, the first 5,000 days, and it was one of the largest sales in 2021, and it created a multi-billion-dollar market in NFTs. Now, NFTs, like most things to do with a blockchain or cryptocurrency, are complex. And one of the core principles of rule number 1 investing is to only invest in things you understand. So already you can understand why I might not be putting a lot of money in an NFT, because this kind of rules them out. For me, I just okay, you got this number on this thing on the internet and it makes it just yours and nobody else's, even though everyone can copy it all they want because it's right on their computer, but you got the rights to it. Okay, I sort of see it's kind of a Picasso. I got that part of it. But here's the catch, you guys. Investing does not include Picassos, all right? That's just speculation that somebody's going to buy this thing for more than you paid for it. That could be entirely true in the entire history of Picassos. And it could be entirely true in the entire history of NFTs. And I still couldn't call it an investment because there's no certainty it's going to be true. It's just a gamble. Might be a smart one, but it's a gamble. If you're not familiar with Rule 1 principles, is what I wanted to say, just check out my must-have investing cheat sheet in the description below. Now, even if you understand how NFTs work, right, and you're one of those guys, then how can you make money by buying and selling them, right? That doesn't mean you should. The fact is that NFTs are trending. That should be a big, bright red flag. Anything that's dubbed the next big thing is not only high risk, but often it's just too good to be true. I don't know, maybe that's the case here, maybe not, okay? But not only do things that are the new trending hot thing last, they don't last that long maybe, and their prices are driven largely by this irrational exuberance. Everybody wants a piece of the pie. And as Rule 1 investors, we want to invest when others are fearful, not when others are being greedy. Additionally, because they're a fad, NFTs are currently huge targets for major scams, and those scams have cost some investors hundreds of thousands of dollars. And finally, an NFT doesn't meet our investing checklist in any way because there's no way to measure the real value of this thing any more there is of some Steinway piano or some Picasso again. So it's just not a business with cash flow that comes off of it. It's not an asset that produces cash. And without that, I don't know how to value it. So investing in an NFT with none of that data, it's just gambling. It's not investing. Now, if you want to invest in something that will grow your wealth over time, which is the whole purpose of investing, invest in wonderful companies that check off all of the boxes. And to learn how, just grab this must-have investing checklist. It's right there at the link below. Now, I'd love to hear from you guys. Would you or have you invested in NFTs? Or should I say, gambled in NFTs? Why or why not? Leave a comment with your answer below there, and I'll be sure to follow up with you. Now, thanks for watching, and go play. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and you think it was valuable for teaching you more about whether or not to invest or trade or gamble with NFTs, hit the like button. Please share the video with your friends. And if you want more investing content, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the button on the screen for a free gift. Thanks again for watching.